Good morning, Senior 2. I hope you are fine. Our lesson today is about autotrophic nutrition or nutrition in green plants. Nutrition in green plants includes two main steps. Step number 1, absorption of water, mineral salt, and carbon dioxide. Step number 2, photosynthesis process. Absorption of water and salts happens mainly through a system. This system is root system. Water and salts are absorbed from the soil through the root hair present in the root system of the plant. Then the water transported from one cell to another till reaches the ascending vessels or xylem. The structure of root hair, as we can see here, consists of, or the length of root hair is 4 millimeters long. There is a large number of root hair. The root hair doesn't exceed for more than few days or a week because the epidermal cells are ruptured and lost continuously from the zone of elongation. Root hair have thin wall to allow the passage of water, large in number to increase the surface area, and the solution inside the root hair vacuoles is more concentration than the solution of the soil to allow water to pass from outside the plant or from the soil to the root. Root hair secretes a viscous substance to help roots to penetrate through the soil particles. Number 2 in our lesson is the mechanism of water absorption. Water can pass from the soil to the root by 4 ways. Number 1, diffusion. What's meaning of diffusion? It is the movement of molecules from high concentration medium to low concentration one, like the diffusion of a drop of ink through a cup of water. Number 2, the permeability. Before we study permeability, we must know that we have 3 types of membrane, of cell membrane, differ in their permeability. For example, cellulosic cells wall, they are permeable, allow water and mineral salt to pass through them. Sometimes cell wall covered with lignin or suberin or chitin, and they are impermeable to water and salts. Nothing pass through them. Number 3, plasma membrane. They are semi-permeable, has selective permeability that allow and control the passage of substance through them. Plasma membrane prevent the permeability of sugar and amino acids because they are very large in size. Number 3, osmosis. What's meaning of osmosis? It is the diffusion of water molecules from high concentration to low concentration, but through semi-permeable membrane. We must have membrane so the water or the salts can pass through it. This diffusion of water causes type of pressure. We call it osmotic pressure. Last thing, the phenomena of imbibition. What's meaning of imbibition? Some solid particles, especially like wood, absorb liquid and increase in volume. So imbibition, the cells swell and increase in volume. Now we are going to study how the water absorbed by root. Number 1, root hair covered with a thin colloidal layer. This layer is made of cellulose and it allows the passage of water particles from the soil, water molecules, from the soil to the root. The outer surface of root hair imbibes water and the water goes from the soil to the epidermal cells. Then, due to the difference between concentration from cell and the neighbor cell, the water can pass through cell to another till it reaches the cortex and xylem vessels.